Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, dear students. Now question number 9. A TV antenna of 8 feet height is located on the top of the house. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation to top of house is 17 and the angle of elevation to top of antenna is 21.8 degree. Find the height of house. According to the statement of the question, the diagram is here. My dear student, this is the roof of the house. This point C is the roof of the house and this is the antenna, TV antenna whose length is 8 feet height. Okay, dear student, the angle, this is the top of the house and this is the top of the antenna, and the angle from the top of the house is 17 degree and the angle from the top of the antenna is 21.8 degree. So given data, measurement of CD is 8 feet. There are two angles are given. Theta 1 is 17 and the theta 2 is 21.8, and we will find the measurement of the height of the house. Dear students, first of all, you know that there are two triangles, right angle triangles. First one is that in which the base is common but the height and the hypotenuse are different. First thing is that the triangle is ABC and the second triangle is ABD. Okay, one by one we will find the tan. Why we will choose the tan? Because the base is the same in both triangles, so that's why we will find the common thing that we can divide or cancel out. That's why we will find the tan theta. Okay, first find tan 21.8 in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, that angle which is given 21.8. So according to this, tan 21.8 means the perpendicular over base, and perpendicular has two things. First one is height of the antenna, which is 8 feet, and the height of the house, which is represented by H, and base is AB. So right here tan 21.8 is BD by AB, and BD is the combination of the two things, 8 feet plus height. Put and find the value of tan 21.8 from the calculator. And now consider the triangle ABC, and we will take the tan theta tan 17, which will be equal to H by AB. H by AB. By taking that value of tan theta from the calculator, we will find value 0.305773. Now we have two things, and you can see that AB is the common. So we will divide equation 1 and 2 and get here. We will divide equation 1 by equation 2. Right hand side will be divided by right hand side, left hand side will be divided by left hand side. So we will divide 0.39997 by 0.30573 equals to divide right hand side H plus 8 by AB divided by H by AB, and we will change the sign, take the reciprocal, and AB will be cancelled by AB, and by division method we will find the value of this left hand side, which is equals to 1.31. So write this here, 1.31 is equals to H by 8 divided by H. We will multiply H by cross multiplication and get 1.31 H is equals to H plus 8, and H is the common. If we will take the inverse of H on both sides, we will get 1.31 H minus H equals to 8, and since this is 1.31 H and this is 1 H, so by subtracting we have the value 0.31 H equals to 8, and according to the question, our destination is that we will find the value of the H, so we will divide 8 by 0.31, and by division with the calculator we will get the value of H, which is equals to 25.8 feet. This is the answer. My dear student, this is the end of your exercise 7.5. So I hope so that you have enjoyed this exercise and the questions, and if you have any problem, please discuss with me. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.